If your horse is coughing more in winter, this might be why. Lots of horses are coughing more in winter, and it's not always sickness. It's usually the barn air. Winter means more time in the barn, and more exposure to irritants horses don't deal with outdoors. Dust, molds, and ammonia build up fast when barns get sealed for warmth. Horses breathe that in all day. If the windows are fogged up, the airflow isn't keeping up. Better ventilation, wet hay, cleaner stalls, and more turnout make a huge difference. Winter lung comfort is mostly about air quality. Comment below if you are noticing your horse coughing more this winter.